Friends, once again, this is Sagar from my SPF Fitness Fire, and this fitness I bring for you. So let's come with me with our new topic is correct, a breathe. Why we take a breathe and how we take a breathe, I will explain today with our 10 exercise of basic breathe in, breathe out. Okay, before I start with exercise, I am just giving a short explanation about breathe, why important breathe and how we take that. Okay, this is our body, this is our heart muscles, and this is our lung muscles. All together when we come and we go with a proper and systematic manner to take inhale and exhale our cardiovascular movements, our respiratory movements, it means you are going well. Okay, so let's start some 10 exercise of breathing which you can do at your home in your daily base. So that this exercise you can do in the morning also or in the evening, whatever time you can get, you can start the exercise. Okay, let's work with the first exercise. Keep your legs apart, hands here, inhale slowly and exhale. We do with the 1 2 3 4 5 counts. 1 2 3 4 5 and then 5 4 3 2 and 1. So your movements and counting this way 1 2 3 4 5 is slow and 5 4 3 2 1. This is the first exercise which help to improve your chest and again come back your thoracics. So abduction and adduction. So these are the movements we are going with the breathing. This is our first exercise. Now we go our second exercise. Keep your hands here. Inhale, exhale, again inhale, exhale. So movement is similar but very slow with 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 4 3 2 1. Now we turn a third exercise. Open your arms and chest with inhale and exhale. So same count 1 2 3 4 5 inhale 5 4 3 2 and 1. The count should be very slow, like 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. This is the count specially. So we done 3 exercises right now. Now we go our fourth exercise. Fourth exercise is up, slowly down, again up, slowly down. Same counting 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 4 3 2 1. Now we go a fifth exercise. Keep your hands locked. Inhale, exhale, again inhale, exhale. So we complete a 5 exercise. Now we go on our 6th exercise. Keep your hands locked this way. Take a breath and slowly out with 1 2 3 4 5 and then again 5 4 3 2 1. Same this side. 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 4 3 2 1. This is our 6th exercise. Now we go on our 7th exercise. Leg distance. Keep your hands here. Inhale, middle, and slowly out. Stretch complete side. Again inhale, stretch out. All exercise I am just showing a little bit of faster because of the video. We need to complete a video very short, so I am just showing you very fast. But you complete in 1 2 3 4 5. Remember, very slow. Now we turn a 8 exercise. Our 8 exercise is complete up and complete down. Knee bend when you bend down. Again down. So counting also same here 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 4 3 2 1. Now we go our 9 exercise. 9 exercise is stretch. Complete stretch with inhale, chest and down, bend your knee, exhale. Again inhale, stretch your back, stretch your chest and again exhale. Whenever you bend in any exercise, remember you need to bend your knee for the back. Okay, remember your lower back. Always bend your knee. Exhale, inhale. Now the last and final 10th exercise. Keep your hands locked and keep your right legs forward with up and slowly come back with exhale. Then your left legs slowly forward. Try to hold your position for a short, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very few seconds and come back. So these are the 10 exercises you can complete in morning or night or evening whenever you get a time. But best time for breathing exercise always in the morning, because you are complete your full sleep and after that you get a relaxation and meditate also. So these are the best timing. So you can follow this 10 exercise, breathing exercise in the morning also. And this improve your heart and your lung efficiency always as your concentration. So when you do exercise in the gym or anywhere, it help to complete your task in very well manner. This is the help of this breathing exercise. Second thing, when we talk, when we sing or anything we can speak, that time we take the breathe only a short breath. We not take a proper breath. So yoga, it's a base of breathing exercise to improve your heart and your lung. Okay, so I am not telling so many things. We can come up with our next and new video. That time I'll explain you about breathing also. So till then, follow the 10 exercise of breathing and see you with me our next video. Till then, bye. Stay fit.